Imagine a phone that doesn't just sit in your pocket, but moves, reacts, and interacts with you like a living companion. This is not science fiction anymore. This is the Honor Robot Phone, a completely new species of smartphone. Hey guys, welcome back to Spec World, your ultimate destination for futuristic tech, powerful specs, and next-level innovations. Today we're looking at something truly revolutionary, a device that goes from impossible to possible, putting a robot inside a smartphone. At the heart of this innovation is the industry's smallest 4DOF gimbal system, powered by ultra-compact micromotors that are reduced in size by up to 70%. This is not just engineering. This is precision robotics at a completely new scale. What does that mean for you? It means your phone is no longer static. With robot-grade embodied motion control, the Honor Robot Phone can physically move, adjust its angle, and respond to you in real time. It delivers rapid response and instant feedback, creating a whole new level of interaction. And this is where things get crazy. This phone doesn't just respond, it expresses. Thanks to its flexible gimbal system, it can show emotional body language. It nods when it agrees, shakes when it disagrees, and can even move dynamically to cheer you up. It's no longer just answering you, it's responding to you. Even during music playback, the robot phone comes alive. It can sense rhythm, move its head to the beat, and sync with the mood of your music, turning a simple phone into an interactive companion. Now, let's talk about one of the most futuristic features, all-angle AI video calling. Unlike traditional phones, this device breaks screen limitations. It automatically adjusts its angle to keep you in frame, tracks your movement, and delivers smooth, real-time communication. No more awkward positioning. The phone follows you. And when it comes to camera performance, this is where Honor takes things to a cinematic level. With industry-leading 3-axis gimbal stabilization, every shot stays rock-steady, even during complex movement. Combined with an advanced AI stabilization engine, the system reacts instantly to even the smallest motion. Then comes AI object tracking. Simply double-tap your subject, and the phone intelligently locks on, predicts movement, and keeps tracking, even if the subject disappears for a moment. And for the first time ever, we have AI spin shot on a smartphone, allowing you to capture smooth 90-degree and 180-degree cinematic shots with just one hand. This is literally Hollywood-style movement in your pocket. But Honor didn't stop there. They've partnered with Arri, one of the biggest names in professional cinema cameras, to bring true cinematic expertise into mobile imaging. This is a massive step toward transforming smartphones into professional filmmaking tools. So what we're looking at here is not just another smartphone upgrade, it's a shift. From a device to an intelligent, interactive companion, from moments to cinematic storytelling, from imagination to reality. The Honor Robot Phone is not just the future of smartphones. It might be the beginning of something entirely new. So now, I want to ask you, is this the next evolution of smartphones? Or is it just the start of robotic tech in our daily lives? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to stay ahead of the future, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Because here on Spec World, we don't just talk tech, we explore what's coming next. If you want to enjoy more Facecam videos and build a strong community together, please join our growing family and subscribe my main channel, Mr. Spec World. Also visit our official website for in-depth reviews, specifications, and comparisons of different products on www.specworld.net.